Welcome back. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that affects millions of people worldwide: eczema. If you or someone you know suffers from this condition, you'll want to pay close attention because we'll be sharing some foods you should avoid to help manage and prevent eczema flare-ups. So let's jump right into it.
First on our list are foods known to trigger eczema symptoms. While triggers can vary from person to person, there are some common culprits to watch out for. Number 1. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and other dairy products can aggravate eczema due to the proteins and hormones they contain. It's best to avoid or minimize your consumption of these if you're prone to flare-ups. Next up, we have processed foods. These include fast food, packaged snacks, and pre-packaged meals. They often contain high levels of trans fats, preservatives, artificial flavors, and food additives that can trigger inflammation and worsen eczema symptoms. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible and steer clear of these unhealthy choices. Sugar, oh sweet sugar. As delicious as it may be, it's not your eczema's best friend. High sugar foods such as candy, soda, and pastries can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation and increased eczema symptoms. Try to cut down on your sugar intake and satisfy your sweet tooth with healthier alternatives, like fresh fruits or dark chocolate in moderation. Moving on, let's talk about foods that commonly cause allergic reactions in individuals with eczema. These can vary from person to person, so it's essential to identify your personal triggers. Some common culprits include nuts, shellfish, eggs, soy, and wheat. If you notice any adverse reactions after consuming these foods, it's best to eliminate or reduce your intake to manage your eczema effectively. Now let's spice things up a bit and talk about spicy foods. While they may add a kick to your taste buds, they can also trigger eczema flare-ups in some individuals. Spicy ingredients like chili peppers and hot sauces can cause skin irritation and worsen itching and redness. If you're prone to eczema, it's best to steer clear of these fiery delights. Lastly, let's address the elephant in the room: alcohol. We all enjoy a glass of wine or a refreshing cocktail from time to time, but excessive alcohol consumption can be problematic for those with eczema. Alcohol dehydrates the body, leading to dry skin, which can exacerbate eczema symptoms. It's important to drink in moderation and ensure you stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water.
To recap, if you're looking to manage or prevent eczema flare-ups, it's essential to avoid certain foods: dairy products, processed foods, sugary treats, allergy-prone foods, spicy ingredients, and excessive alcohol consumption can all potentially worsen your eczema symptoms. Remember, everyone is different, so it's crucial to identify your personal triggers and make dietary choices accordingly. That's all for today's episode. We hope you found this information helpful in your journey to manage eczema. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and be mindful of what you eat. Bye.